not living, I only exist. How much longer can I go on like this? You broke my heart and you tortured my mind. Now I've lost you, darling. You were long gone this time. My home is a broken. You've wrecked my young life. You left me here all alone to cry. These tears that are falling will soon dry away. And someday, darling, I know you will pay.